doubt, it's a good technique. We are not criticizing. It can work. And you can put an armbar also. Okay, आपको मतलब when you are in this position, maybe I do something, maybe I kick, and we don't do armbar, we just kick, and then if you want, you can just break the hand. वो आप करना चाहते करो. But also be prepared when somebody has high brain threshold. So when I do that, when I'm doing that, he's resisting still. एक second, one. It's a female. Arush is a female. So I'm here. So I'm here. Yes. Maybe I'm doing like this. If he has weight advantage, he kicks. Keep kicking. Keep fighting. Yes. Yes. This is what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen. Because जब ये सब होता है, you should still start fighting. But in कला हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? We try to catch. Now we are fighting from here. Now I am trying to push, and trying to topple. But if it's a 40 kg female, it's going to be tough. Because this guy is almost 70-75. Yeah? So this is the problem. Or he is holding. He's holding like this. He's holding like this. For some reason he took one hand up. Okay? So for doing that, maybe I'm like this. एक solution नहीं है इसमें. There is no one solution. That's what I'm trying to say. So you have to overcome because yes, कर जो कर रहा था. You're kicking, but I'll try to overcome. I'll try to kick you. You should be prepared for this. You should be prepared for this. Move, don't move, don't move. You should be prepared for this. Abhi, if you are only practicing that kick and not doing all this, because you should fail many times. That is the importance. Samana come. Continue. Kick. Kick. Yeah. Very good again. Kick. Kick. Okay. Up. Here. Yes. Up and kick. Push. 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 I will try to work. Yes. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Yes. Don't move. Now try to work. Play this like a game. Eventually, your job is to stand up. Acquire something. अभी इस पोजीशन में हो, पत्थर मिला पत्थर यूज करो, मट्टी मिला मट्टी यूज करो. Do something. मट्टी ले लो, पत्थर ले लो, या फिर उठो जल्दी, जितना हो सकता है उतना जल्दी उठो. Because if you make it like a game, play it, then it's better. Again. Continue. You want to fight? Huh? You want to fight? Keep kicking. Fight. Keep kicking. Now good. Get leg. Still, I didn't resist 100%. But the point you understood, right? Anything can happen. So you're only preparing for one solution, which the solution is good. We are not telling that. But you have to bring these kinds of elements. Even he can arm himself with something. अगर उसके पास वहाँ पे stone है, he can arm. He can do what? So when you put the drill like this, it becomes very difficult. And when you make the student do like this, maybe in the real situation, you will not freeze. You will try to do something. That is what our goal is. अपना गोल क्या है? अपने स्टूडेंट को समझाना कि कोई भी सिचुएशन में आप फंसते हो, एक ही सोल्यूशन पे निर्भर मत रहो. So when you are trying to overcome, try to come up with something. Be aggressive as much as possible. Try to get up. जितना जल्दी आप उठ सकते हैं उतना जल्दी उठो और कुछ ले लो. Take something, then use it. Then maybe you have chances of failure. Some people have high pay threshold. वो आए हैं आपको रेजिस्ट करने के लिए, वो सोचते हैं कि दैट यू आर वेरी क्या बोलते हैं, आप उतना ताकतवर नहीं हो, फीमेल्स आर वेरी लेस विद देयर स्ट्रेंथ, एंड व्हेन you practice with this intention, so you'll get a lot of tools and you'll be surprised to know sometimes you will be able to escape, sometimes not. Okay.